So while we're waiting for the center outdrive cup to get in, I figured we'd go over this front end while we're waiting for the part to come in, because not like I have anything to do anyways. So we'll get this ready. When the part comes in, just take the front end, just slap it on the vehicle. The bumper off, just thought we would take a look real quick at the diff. Looks pristine. Hope so. That's a fresh diff in there. Let's pop this cover off and see what our diff looks like. Very gently work a screwdriver in here. Yeah, this diff looks like it's in very good shape, thank God. I upgraded to the HPI bulletproof ring and pinion. They were pretty expensive. Luckily I got them half price, but regular price they're like 70 bucks. Thank God they're in good shape. And I don't even think you can get the, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't even think you can get the HPI bulletproof ring and pinion set anymore. So they look like they're in perfect condition. Let's check out that pinion gear. It's a 2.5 mil or a 2. Let's loosen this screw up. Wasn't even tight. And the pinion's perfect condition. Beautiful.